He's gonna be the first live VIP guest in a sense. He's gonna be sitting in the background, and if he take an L, he gotta put the goofy hat on. See what we can do. I ain't gonna lie, it's a smooth little trade. It's not something that's gonna be overnight. It's not something that's fast, and sometimes people get into it thinking they can make money, not realizing what it really takes, the time that's gonna take. Drop down and give me 50, soldier. But nonetheless, every single day I do the same exact thing that works, the same exact thing that continues to make me money. Good morning, we back with another video. Me and Kel, we active, we about to get started with VIP. But first I gotta go move his car because we had it in the wrong spot. So yeah, before bro get his shit towed in Tampa, we on a mission. But we gonna have a good day, productive day. We gonna get back, he's gonna be the first live VIP guest in a sense. He's gonna be sitting in the background, and if he take an L, he gotta put the goofy hat on. Okay. So when it comes to what we got scheduled for today, after we trade with VIP, we're gonna go out to get food with our girls. Then we're probably gonna go to the gun range. And if we don't go to the gun range before that, then we're gonna go to the movie theaters at 4:20. So yeah, we gonna be busy until damn near 6 o'clock, and we got a whole bunch of gas. So it's gonna be a long day ahead of us. Now, yeah. First things first, though, is VIP. So once we get back to the crib, we gonna do that. Mission: get back to the crib in 6 minutes. We got 6 minutes. We're gonna see. Right now, I'm mostly bullish, but we'll see if I can actually catch a trade of it. I'm bullish, but it doesn't mean I'm gonna be in that shit. No cap. Still early though. We'll see what happens. Here, we getting a little retracement. We about to hit the 4-hour gap. This is like gonna be the safest possible spot because it's at that 4-hour, which could end up just holding. But I would honestly want to see that 1-hour gap get hit. But it's just a matter of probabilities. At the 4-hour gap, just to be safe. But I'll be watching the 1-hour gap though. If I can hold that first trade with a stop loss, that I can hold that 1-hour gap if it trades into it, that'd be even better. But are we tapping into it? 4-hour gap, 4-hour to the 1-hour. I want to give it a second. Yeah, I'm gonna see if it might hit that 1-hour gap. It looks like it might try to. Just gotta give it a second. It'd be like that Keno White, my fault. Keno White, see what we can do. Oh yeah, we up a little bit. That should be TP1. Oh shit, I forgot there's a camera. I'm not used to this. Cameraman Cal, look, let's see TP1. TP1 on that dang, break even. See, that's why I need a cameraman. I need to pay someone for this, bro.
I'm saying the same shit.
I need to pay someone for this, bro.
Do this for me too.
Look, I can record myself while he recording me, record y'all. Come on now. This is a different level. Now we about to be up at TP2. I risked 1,000, so TP2 will be 2. Yeah, it's about to hit it. I have my TP there right before the high, so it should hit the TP before hitting that high up there. So I ain't gonna lie, it's a smooth little trade. Drop down and give me 50, soldier. You know the reason. So essentially the main reason for me getting into this trade, if I just keep it simple, go to the 4-hour, and if we look at right here, this is where 10 o'clock just opened. So this candle's only been open for 30 minutes. We closed bullish on the last 4-hour, which closed at 9:59. At 9:59 going to 10, that's when this candle closed. And then we opened at 10. So this gap was here. But price didn't retrace yet. So that was the gap I was waiting for. Considering this gap over down here, it got filled in. This gap right here got filled in. So we're on the 4-hour, and then I see this gap also got filled in too, but I'm just more short-term bullish just because of what's been happening since London. I'm not necessarily looking at all of this right now for my bearish bias. You know what I'm saying? I was more or less paying attention on what's already happened today. Because then if we just go to the 1-hour, and I just look at today, if you look, we had this drop, and then from here, that's when we were bullish. So we were already kind of closing bullish, showing bullishness already. And then I was looked at the 4-hour gap, and that 4-hour gap ended up being this right here. It's just this high. And that's where I took my entry. And then from there, I was looking for the 1 to 2. I didn't even have to target this wick just because I was risking 50 points, and I was able to get 100 before the wick just because of the risk reward. I could have targeted this high, and this would have been like a 1 to 2.5, but it's all good. It's Monday. I'll take what I can get. You know what I'm saying? I just had a 2-3 month losing streak. I'm cool. I'll take my 1 to 2s. I'm getting my get back. All right, we just got done with the trade with VIP. He's still on the call right now. He's still in this trade on ES.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, unfortunately, my boy's still waiting, but he's in long, so it's just a matter of
patience.
Yeah, if you want to see why he was in, but if you're not in VIP, just join VIP. Yeah, there you go. That's that. But I'm about to go for a walk, take the dogs for a walk with Kyle. Then when we get back, probably shower, Then we gonna go, that's when the rest of the day starts. Go out to eat, shooting range, movie, more food, gym. I gotta edit all this content too. Shit, the more I gotta do, the more shit I gotta do. That's kind of tough. Because the more I do, the more I record. Donor. All right, we just got to Shooter's World right now. We took 2 cars, but we're about to wait for Kel. I got my gun in the back. We're gonna try to rent 2 ARs and rent another pistol. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna try to get her to record on the phone to get some good footage. So if we don't get footage, it's her fault. I can't shoot and record. So if there's no footage after this, it's her fault. We about to go into there in probably like 5-10 minutes. We'll see when Kel gets here. But yeah, we about to see what it do. Because the free course will teach like a lot of the basics essentially. What's key, like especially for someone like you in the time to actually try to understand what's like how it even works. My fault. I'm like trying to put a camera over here while I just have it. But basically I would say the main thing like to focus on, like for someone as of like you, based off of what you've told me so far, if you don't have that much like knowledge in trading, I'll definitely say the main thing is going to be demo trading in the beginning. Demo trading and hop on the free course so you can actually get an idea of what trading even is. Because for one, before you risk money, before you do anything that's even going to make you money or lose you money, you need to understand how it even works to begin with, if it's something that you'd be willing to do. Because it's not something that's going to be overnight. It's not something that's fast. And sometimes people get into it thinking they can make money, not realizing what it really takes, the time that's going to take. You know what I'm saying? So I'll say definitely hop on that. And that's just the same link that you did to book the one-on-one. Everything's just on that same site, all the content and everything. But besides that, just like I said, it's really in the beginning stages, it comes down to education, not as much implementation of like the education, but really just getting an understanding what everything is, what trading is, what's the difference between futures, crypto, stocks, all those different things. What is the difference between price action, actually understanding the candlestick, like the pure basics. In the beginning, a lot of it's just education, just taking the time to get as much education and try to get as much understanding as possible. Because in the beginning, you know, it's all going to seem confusing. Like every last bit of it's going to seem confusing. I would say the main thing is in the beginning, you're not going to know what to pay attention to. That's why in the beginning, the main thing is not going to be necessarily trying to build a system or build what to look for. The main thing is going to be, before you even get to that phase, is really getting an understanding of what the market is to begin with. Because from the market, then experience is key, but experience is only going to be key if you know what you're looking for. If not, you're just going to be having W's and L's trying to figure out the reasoning behind it. But if you already have a system and now you're trying to implement it, that's when the demo trading, actually taking the trades, actually being in like the live environment, whether it's live money or demo money, being in the live, like actually experiencing it, is going to teach you a lot. But that's only if you know what you're doing. Like that's only if you have a process that you're trying to follow. If there's no process that's being followed, just kind of just like, you're just there. You're just there with no real route. You're just kind of there with no map. It's just like, yeah, you could make money, you could lose money, you could get an idea what you're doing, but also it can go the whole opposite way because it's like there's no structure behind it. The main thing is having structure, because trading, you can learn to trade for free. There's a whole bunch of free content, but it just won't be structured. You'll be learning things that I learned 5 years, 4 years into my trading, 1 month into trading. So it's not necessarily going to benefit you at that moment because you don't even, like, you still need the basic things to even grasp what's happening, so that me talking to you about certain concepts, like I wouldn't be able to talk to you about the charts right now because you wouldn't understand none of the terminology, if that makes sense. If you have, so I would say you're not essentially a beginner if you already have a basic understanding of those things. But I would also ask, how long have you been trading, you said again? Because you may have learned a lot of things that are a little more advanced early on, if that makes sense. Because have you ever really taken a trade in general? I would say if you're at that point, then the next stage will be figuring out a system. Have something that you do every single day, because you may have things that you look for in the market, but you need to have a concrete step 1, 2, 3. You just do the same thing every single day, and then from there you'll be able to actually start taking trades because there'll be a process that's being followed. It's not like you're just waking up not knowing what to do. You'll wake up, you'll have a plan to follow, and then from having that plan to follow, whatever happens is going to be that experience that people talk about where you learn from. Because yeah, you can learn from experience, but if you have no real system, you're not necessarily getting data on anything. You're just kind of, it's like going to the casino just to go there. You just going there to go there. You might make money, you might lose money, but there's no real data and consistency being built within you doing that because there's no process behind it. Versus you going there with a specific, I'm gonna do this, this, and this. So now if it doesn't work or does work, you're going off of something versus going there like, yeah, I'm gonna see. We go here, we just go see what we can do. This is all structure. That's the main thing. It always just comes down to structure. Venom, you mean? All right, we just got done watching Venom. We about to be back in the crib. Right now, I don't even know what time it is. It's like 7:07. I told you it was gonna be a long day, and we on our way back right now to the crib, but nonetheless, it's an eventful day, productive day. Money was made today. Money was spent today. Guns were shot today. Yeah. And now we're here. Now we're here. Now, right now, back in the cribbo, as y'all can see, got the dogs. Right now, Kel and his girlfriend went out to eat. She didn't want to eat where they were going, so we didn't go. We're not attending, but I'm going to take that time to edit a lot of this vlog, get a lot of the content for today created. Because when I'm spending time with people like, say, my girlfriend, or in this case, people like Kel, I don't have as much time during the day on my usual days where I could just sit there and edit everything for a whole time because there's just people around. Same thing goes with just me recording. Me just having the ability to pull out a camera like this and not speak without blinding everybody around me because how loud I speak is something you just got to be aware of. But nonetheless, it's been a productive day. We got the 101. So out of the 3 101s that I had scheduled today, 1 person showed up. So I appreciate you, bro. I recorded a little bit of it so you'll get some of the game. They're enjoying being back over here since they haven't been over here in a while. It is what it is. But overall, good day so far. I'm not sure where this is going to lead next. All I know is I'm going to start editing the vlog so I can get majority of it majority of it edited so I can move on with my day. But yeah, so far, besides this, the trading day was a great trade. I already explained the trade and everything. Usually when I win my trades, I'm on with my day. I don't stick with it no more. I'm gone. So yeah, about to move on to the next thing. All right, so we got another objective. Right now, we about to, she wants to get tacos. I'm gonna get a drink from there because I'm not hungry after eating all that popcorn, after eating the food early. I'm not hungry right now. But I do need to get a PS5 controller. I want to get a second one because I had Black Ops 6, and since Kel's here, we've been playing Black Ops 6, and I'm tired of sharing the same controller. We need 2, so I'm gonna go buy a new controller. And yeah, and then we're gonna end the vlog off after we get back from the excursion. All right, we're at the taco spot. She just went in there, free promo for, what's it called? Tacos Las Californias. Tacos Las Californias in Tampa. Yeah, you're one of the few spots we oftenly go to. So here's some free promo. I got you. I spend money with you. It's not paid product. It's not a paid sponsorship. It's just something I eat. So if you're in Tampa, Los Californias. But yeah, we about to get these tacos and then we about to head to either Target or Walmart. But I have a feeling Target closes at like 9 o'clock. But if not, then Walmart, and I'm gonna go get this PS5 controller so I can play the game with Cal. So yeah, the day is almost over, but it's not over yet. All right, we got the controller. I got her one that's like pinkish, reddish kind of color, just because she'll be the other person using the controller once Kel leaves. Here, I gotta get it out like these.
You see? I got it. Oh yeah.
That looks cool.
Oh yeah.
I like the way it looks. And just like that, we back in the crib. So Kel and his girlfriend are still out. They're on their way back right now. So we ended up doing all of that and making it back before they did. So it's all good. But I'm about to get to editing this vlog. It's already 9:30 at night. It's been a productive day. It's been a busy day. It's been a long day, but it's not over yet. Got to continue getting this out. Got to get the rest of the content for the day. I've got to finish my day productive as possible. Nonetheless, every single day I do the same exact thing that works. The same exact thing that continues to make me money. The same exact thing that continues to prove why I'm doing it. Day in, day out. Systems and trading, systems with content, systems with VIP, systems with all the above. So with that being said, stay safe, stay productive. Have a great day. If you didn't have, whenever you're watching this, have a great day. Have a great night. If you Haven't already, make sure you check out the free trading course, free trading webinars. Make sure you join VIP if you want to get access to the money mindset and trading lessons with over 50 hours of content to go. And you can also join live with us every single day. Join VIP. Stay safe, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow's daily video.